What's up everyone and welcome to Uni's daily update on Bitcoin. I hope you're all doing very well. As always, we're rising like crazy at the moment. We're coming into our last possible target really for a short trade, last chance really to reverse. And if we don't reject here, well, we're simply going to look for a new high to be made. But anyway, first of all, I'm gonna check that the sound is working well. Normally it should be as always. Yes, nice. So let's show everything here. We can just hide this by the way. So we've got some few good scalp yesterday, you know, so it was live yesterday, live in the time during the live stream. We've got also some few scalps here, and before I went to the bed, we've got like where it was, by the way, it was here, I guess. We've got like more than 10 million of shorts coming in here. I mean, of course, if you have this coming on the market, well, it's not really good to revert to go more down, right? So yeah, we've got a nice amount of trap shorts here. I don't know if we can see this on the order. Let me just and then I went to bed, so and we got some nice price action during the night. It's really like it time to load everything. We should see this on the 30 minutes. 15 by the way. Look at that. 10 million, almost 11 here, plus 5 million here of shorts. Of course, when you have this, well, it's not really good for lower prices, right? So we did got a nice reversal, as you can see here. After the shorts, we've got, so first of all, absorption. No, by the way, not directly here, because we did took the lows. But on the next low here, you can see we have a low, high, low, and we have a low, low, low here. You can see here a low, lower lows. So all of these got absorbed, and of course then we go find a stop loss liquidation, because we've got like almost 15 million of new shorts coming in here. This is absolutely crazy big. But anyway, let's update this chart here. So first of all, let's go here. Okay, let's go on the daily time frame. I guess we'll have it on. Yeah, perfect. Let's go here. We've got these two yesterday on me now. 44 170. Yeah, so today 45 zeros. No. Yeah, 45 070. So let's take this. Perfect. Then we have 46 050. And then we have none. So let's see now the TPOs. 44 686. Okay, this one is alone. Or maybe it was oh no, okay. $44 513, and then we are good. So 44 513, nice. So let's see here what we can remove. Let's remove this now. It's really more down. Gonna keep just this. That'll be the target really if I have to flip to support some few stuff. And why I don't have this on the top there? Because there is a weekly in this here. Oh, this is in the short target. Wait. SFP. No. Nice. Let's pass this. Take this here. Volume. Levels. And we're good. So yeah, first target here to the downside relief. We'll have to get a long trade. Okay, get a bit of a pullback and then get another push to the upside. Let me just do this. like that. Yeah, well, this is definitely the first target really for a long trade. Okay, so that will be really this new naked session path control with a monthly negative path control and the weekly negative path control here, plus this value are high really. By the way, I'm gonna simply, good morning mate, good to see you again. Let me just add this and I will do the drop really, so we don't get too much levels. Sorry, so yeah, first support really is coming around, so 46,000 really. And if we manage to break this, well, still be aware of that. As always these days, we like to do some complex level approach, so we can absolutely go a bit low here, take out the low, flip the resistance, fake the drop, come back up, and here we go. So do something like this really below, or just for example, swing for a pound, the previous low here, manage to reclaim directly, flip to support, and come back up. And so yeah, we take the long. Either is of course a good reaction. Now if we start breaking this, well, we're just going to come back into the next consolidation we've got really, so we can look for the monthly level. Again, this one is touched a lot already, so be a bit careful. Okay, and then we have all the lows really to take, simple as that really, with a naked session path control below. That one have nothing really, to be fair. Yeah, so the best will be to come back down here for the TPO and the daily negative path control. And well, I mean, it's an out, I think, not necessary to go lower than this at the moment. So these are the three targets really we have below. So first one, bam. Second one here, so a low, the monthly here. And then we have this, so first one really here. Then we have, so still be aware of this SFP here, but that will be better to go, you know, into the levels really below. So we have these targets really step by step to the downside, okay? You're gonna leave only the 3 here, and now to the upside. Well, I'm simply going to go and cover this on the higher time frame chart. So we're coming into the last resistance really for a possible short trade, as you know. Okay, this was a panel and was I think already here, the 3 different short trades. We've got the first one, second one we've got nothing really. We've got some scalp entries, but again the scalp as always can be turned into a swing if we manage to bring the price lower. We didn't. Well, these are some scalp, and that's it really. Now we just move on to into the next one. We've got some few scalp there also yesterday to take during the day. That was pretty cool, to be fair. And so now we are back up. We, as you can see, are flipped the second target of the short trade. I mean the second short target really. So it was, you know, the first one was all of this plus the SFP of this. So you got this first rejection, then second, I mean first target really, we were still all of this above, so we can remove that by the way now. And so now, yeah, we just got acceptance above. So second big short target was this one. As you can see, we go above, flip to support, get acceptance high. Well, I guess we've got no reason to short. I don't know, because I was sleeping at that time. And so now, yeah, we just have to look really for the last short target really. Okay, so let's move this a bit more on the left. I'm gonna remove this. We don't really care anymore. And hello, mate. And so yeah, we have this weekly path control plus this top right here for a possible swing for the pound. And again, if we get acceptance above this, what I'm saying acceptance is really we get acceptance. We do not, for example, start to do a failed auction, so to speak. For example, get a massive amount of longs here coming in, and the longs are unable really to push the price higher, so to speak. There is absorption, there is a bearish divergence on the CVT forming, so to speak. There are just limits absorbing all these market order longs, okay, limit shorts, because the market orders are moving the price, and they're getting absorbed sometimes by the limited orders. So if we start absorbing all these longs, well, it can reverse and it can bring us, you know, with a complex level approach like this, for example. And then that's very really what I just show you, but anyway. So we make one high, we just flip to support, fake the pump, either a new high, either just a retest like this, okay, of the price downtrend, and then come back down. Sorry. So yeah, this is something possible. Why? Because we do have, simply because Bitcoin love to do this these days, and because of course we have some few small level above, so we can go a bit above here to go and touch these levels, for example, to really make everyone bullish, okay, because there is no resistance, really big resistance after this one. So from here, well, people are maybe going to become super bullish, maybe there are going to be some big limit shorts here absorbing everything, and bam, we bring this back down, okay. I don't know, we will see really along the time, but this is something possible you should be aware of, in my opinion. And otherwise, well, if we just do a simple level approach, we're just going to get a short data, really a short reaction into this, okay. And so if we manage to reclaim, so get no failed auction really above, okay, or big swing for a pan, big wick above, well, we're simply going to look for a new high to be made, really, okay. And so first of all, we can still take the ABC zigzag to the upside to look, you know, for a bigger A, B, C flat. But I'm going to cover this by the way now with the wave because we're ready now with the levels. I hope I don't talk too fast by the way. Still have this habit, but I have to remove it. So yeah, let's go on the wave now. 10 minutes for the levels, pretty perfect, nothing crazy, but well, yeah, still the same target, some few new ones below. So with the waves here, so what we have done really yesterday, you know, since the pink waves I gave you, so it was let me just remove some few stuff there. It was this. So what's happened there? Okay, we've got, you know, this nice wave 1, 2. I'm just gonna replace the wave, it's not well place it. Here's done. So wave 1, 2, 3, wave 4, and then we have the wave 5. So as always, into the wave 5 we need to count 5 waves. Well, we've got the 5 waves, okay, that's why it was, as always, when you have the 5 waves, well, you do not look for these 5 waves really to be a bigger wave 1, bigger wave 2, and bam, 3, 4, 5. Now if we do, well, we do in the game really. Okay, so what we have done is simply this, simply a bigger wave 5, more likely, okay, and then in that case we'll have a bigger wave 1, 2, and another wave 1, 2, bam, 3, 4, 5, and then again in that case that complete the wave 3, and then we'll have a wave 4 and a wave 5. So I'm going to place you the waves so you can see really, as you can see here now we're in an extension. Just gonna double check something here. Because if this was a wave 4 here, well, that was a bit too small for a wave 4 here, not gonna lie. Is it hit from here? Yes. Well, for the moment I'm gonna take this, to be honest. Yeah, so let's put the smaller waves here. Let's remove this. And we can simply add this right here first of all. So this right here is the first impulsive we'll have to be aware of. Three, 4, and then the wave 5. Gonna just add some smaller waves so we can see the difference. Wave 1, 2. Nice. 3, 4, 5. So let's see here with the extension tool. This was during the night, so I have not planned this before on my side. So I'm doing this now. Less than 1618 here. Yeah, the bottom is here, by the way. Again, what the fuck? Look at this. Wave 1, 2, 3, 4. Bam. Wave 5 again. We keep doing some extensions of wave 5 these days. This is pretty crazy. Well, 1618 is not hit. Let's see if on by bits hit. Alright, so I'm gonna take the case that this is hit. So in that case we pull the extension tool just like that. And so these are the wave 5 targets. Okay, so 618, 121 extension, 1618. Sorry, and then we have the 2618 right here, last target really. Except of course if we do an extension next. But this right here will be the target really. And so next we do not complete directly normally the wave 5, as we do have another bigger wave 1 here, bigger wave 1, bigger wave 2, and so in that case we're in this wave bam 3, 4, 5. So maybe in that case we complete these 5 waves there into, gonna change the color. Let's take some blue like that, by the way. Maybe so we do, you know, the end of the smaller wave into this, and then we just, you know, do the bigger red wave 4, and then we do the wave 5 to take the high again once more. And it depends if we have really to reject this or not. But yeah, so once we have done all of this, normally we should be done with the wave 3. That's one extension. Where is this wave 3? 1618. Alright, we are on it right now. Nice. So we're on the most common wave 3 target here. Don't know if we got some good short data, by the way. Because for now it's a front run of the weekly level, you know, the target just above. But we do have a daily just before, and of course we have this swing third plan right there. Okay. Fuck. Look at that. Stop loss liquidations. Pretty crazy. Look at this, 20 million of shorts. I mean, these are shorts taking profit, shorts getting stopped out. Everything except new longs, really. And except new shorts. Stop loss of the short taking. I mean, it's a really big amount. We've got some big shorts there. Yeah, you see, instead of getting some longs, you can see here on the top every time, instead of getting some longs, we keep getting some shorts on the top there. So, well, it's not the best. It was like yesterday again, by the way. You know, here that was a good scalp. No, that was from the MC strategy target. We've got one here, we've got a tornado the move, come back up, going to the second MC strategy target, come back down again, and so we can see here the amount of shorts we've got here, like 5 million, 9 million, 5 million, 3 million, and I mean, this is absolutely crazy. Then we'll have some longs here, of course. But yeah, we still have a lot of shorts here on every single top almost. And again, next, look at this. We have another 4 million here, 3 million, 1 million here, another 2 million here, another 1 million here, 10 million, 4 million. I mean, this is absolutely crazy huge. And this is the opposite normally you want to see. You want to see some longs here on the tops. So again, you can see here, shorts, bam, take the highs. Now we don't have this, so it's pretty set a bit better. And so anyway, do I have absorption there? No, we don't. Or just maybe on the lower time from here, yeah. A bit now with the shorts closing and here. But anyway, so no reaction there. Let's do the 10-second chart. Well, you have a good reaction, but coming really late. But again, we will have no trap longs here. I mean, we just have some liquidation. Some, again, look at this. On the very top, we have some shorts again. We'll have no trap longs. These are just some shorts getting stopped out, and again and again and again and again and again. This is pretty crazy, not gonna lie. But here it's pretty huge. What we've got 20 million. This is. Can we see the rect here? If this was, oh wow. Well, rip. But anyway, so yeah, not crazy yet. We've got a short reaction coming very late, so that will be good to get a retest here with something. We do have a possible wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So on the retest, that will be cool to get something. You can use also the tier for the retest, okay? But this is pretty nice, this small absorption we've got on the highs. Anyway, so I was with the waves here, so let's come back here. So yeah, this is what we can look for at the moment, more likely. If we have to be, so retrace directly, for example, from this wave 3, 1618, really, we just need to pull the retracement as always, from the wave 3 top down to the wave 3 root, okay? And so we can add a wave 4 target, so 23.6, MC fib 31.32, and the 38.2. And so from here we should get another rise. for example, sorry, just to go, you know, into the third and last short target, really just above, with, you know, by the way, I don't have all the levels. Let me just add this again. Bam. Perfect. So to go into this last target really for a short trade, all of this, by the way, this target there, and from here maybe, you know, finish and complete. This is locked, yes. Complete, you know, so this wave 5 here, and from here, well, we complete in that case a ping wave 5, and so we're going to get a larger retracement for the wave 4. Okay, so if we pull, for example, the extension tool there, let's take this, place it here, and so yeah, we can either look for a swing through plan, either look for the 1-to-1 extension. So let's take the case that we don't go too high. Okay, we really respect the target. So from here, we look in that case for a new high to be made. We look again for a retracement there for the wave for the wave 4, if I can catch this retracement tool, like this, here. And so we look for a retracement into this target again, and then we look for another push to the upside. We have to see here if we manage to break through or not. We'll get no real bearish reaction in there. But if we are in these 5 waves, well, if we have to be, you know, in the big ABC zigzag to the downside of white waves, well, we shouldn't be in this, and so we should stop before normally. To be in this. Where is this? There. If we're in this big ABC zigzag, okay, we should stop before the top, of course. So we should complete the red 5 waves really before that. Okay. But anyway, so yeah, these are the waves at the moment we can look for. That's a big extension we have in there, to be fair. But anyway, so let's remove this for the moment so we can see a bit better here the context. Let's put this in there, smaller waves, and we're good. So here, medium time frame waves right there. So yeah, these are the waves I'm looking for at the moment until we get, so as you know, so this was not really bearish here, we're targeting some few more longs. This is nothing really. Yeah, just watch out on the retest really. But yeah, so the thing is now, if for example, we just get a continuation, we keep pushing higher and higher and higher and higher again, well, we're going to break this stop here. Okay, so in that case, what we'll have to take here is simply more likely. So not this anymore, but we can simply look here in that case for the ABC zigzag first of all, still be into these 5 waves, and here in that case we just accept that was a WXY or a correction really, and so we can look here for a nay, let's do it like this, a nay, a B, C flat first of all, okay, to still be, you know, in the bigger correction in case we have to retrace. Well, this is something we have to be aware of as always when you take a high. So first of all we can look for this, okay. Let's go with some minor waves, and so in that case we can simply look for this. I mean, for the targets above really we have planned, okay, but if you want to use the fibs, you just have to pull your fib retracement from the wave A bottom up to the A wave root, and so you can look for the 105 up to the 123, 127, so all of this really. Okay, so with this we just need to get a short reaction. If there is not, well, this is not an ABC fly anymore, this is more likely not an ABC zigzag to the upside, we can remove this, remove this, remove this, and we take in that case an impulsive, so to speak here, bigger wave 1, 2, and bam, here we go, pump it up, and 3, 4, 5, and so now we are either completing, you know, the C wave to be in the bearish plan, so to speak. If we have to be in these 5 waves here, we can look, if I go and zoom out a bit, we can look for, you know, either this bearish configuration first of all, where we are still in, I mean, we have done the B, okay, and we are now into the C wave, and so we just complete this 5 waves here. By the way, that one we should not go too high, just take the highs, and so from here, bam, well, we have done the X wave, and we're going to look, and the Y wave, by the way, and so in that case, we're going to look for this bigger move to the downside next. Now, if we break and hit this 200% here of the extension tools of this WXY to the upside, so from the W root to the W top to the X wave bottom, okay, if we start breaking above the 1618 and really go and touch here the 200%, well, it means simply that we are more likely in something a bit bigger here to the upside, and so to speak, we're either in this ABC zigzag, either in this, I mean, ABC zigzag here, let's do it like this, ABC zigzag here, so from the W root to the W top to the X wave bottom, okay, if we start breaking above the 1618 and really go and touch here the 200%, well, it means simply that we are more likely in something a bit bigger here to the upside, and so to speak, we're either in this ABC zigzag here, Now, more likely in such configuration. Now, of course, there is something here that we can be aware of, okay, as always. It's simply here before to look, you know, for a major push to the upside like this and look for a new high really to be made. Well, we still have the possible configuration that I don't like so much, to be honest with you. The shape is really terrible, but can still play out, to be fair, where we are simply in a leading, so to speak, here, a massive wave one. It was like that. No, here. So a massive wave one, a massive wave two. I mean, really small wave two, by the way. Then we'll have a wave three directly here, less than 1618. We have a wave four, and then we'll have a wave five. So it will be really a leading here with a, well, yeah, with a small wave for leading, by the way, but a leading really here to the upside. So once we have done this, we look simply here for a bigger A, B, C to make a longer, and that will be really boring, not gonna lie. So a longer WXY, for example, and if we take the high with a W, with the X wave, we can switch to an ABC flat, okay? And otherwise, what is more likely and the best, really, and you know, to start a bull range, really, a bigger wave one and a bigger wave two retracement. So bam, a bigger wave one and a bigger wave two retracement, and then finally, bam, 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 big push to the upside like this, parabolic move, and here we go, pump it up, okay? So that'll be lovely, not gonna lie, to retrace a bit and then come back up. That'll be a really good configuration. We'll see. That's why we still have all these configurations. We have to invalidate some few ones and to confirm some other ones. And so that's why we need to move at some point. So if we move, that's pretty cool. This just confirm some few scenarios, really. And what I wanted to say, I can't remember. Perfect. Yeah, so this will be all the configurations we have to be aware of. What I wanted to say, I can't remember. I just can't remember right now. Well, anyway, so yeah, just be aware of such leading. That will be a really terrible shape, but well, still something valid. It's not really, I mean, there is no invalidation really for this, okay? We're not breaking the wave to bottom here, we are, but not on the weekly time frame, for example. Everything is valid for the moment, to be fair. 1, 2, it's just a shape that I don't like so much, but well, still valid. So yeah, let's see here if we can get, in that case, I mean, yeah, some confirmations really. If we stay only with this ABC zigzag, bam, and if we start a breakthrough, well, still possible ABC to make a bigger and longer correction, and then otherwise, so this be a bigger ABC flat, A, BC flat, and if we start really to get acceptance above blah blah blah, then we're going to look for an impulsive really, either to complete the C for the bearish plan, either to complete a wave 5 of the bigger time frame leading, and if we start rocket, big massive push to the upside here to the upside, yeah, twice to the upside, well, we're simply going to look for the super bullish plan where we are already done with the wave to bottom here. We have a double wave 1 2 1 2, and now it's going to literally skyrocket really. So yeah, yeah, that's it really. Don't want to make it too bullish, of course, that's not the plan, but yeah, just want to show the different configurations really. You can see that there are some configurations where we go a bit above. We will still retrace next and get some nice push to the downside. So we are now doing the retest. That's pretty nice because the bearish data came in really late. Moreover, this we've got this right here on the lows, low, high, low, 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 low. So yeah, better to be a bit careful when you trade 10-second chart sometimes. You can see here, even here, by the way, we have absorption. Yeah, you can see. So you have the shorts really coming in here a bit all the way down. Again, it's not coming from the, I mean, you have somebody in only one call here. It's coming a bit with some space here, and so you have, well, absorption again. At this you can see here, you have a low, low, a low, and you have a low here, a low, high, low. You can see on the right. So it's really small, but you can see it's announced to reverse a bit the price as always. That's a 10-second chart. So yeah, now we just need to get a good short reaction from the retest. So we are on the retest right now, and if the retest is not bearish, new high will be made, and hopefully we get some trap shorts. But this, well, it's not coming it's not coming for the moment. So yeah, hopefully it will come at some point. We'll see really. But yeah, so I don't know if you have some questions today. Otherwise, we're good. Nothing more really to say, and I'm gonna make it more complex. We've got the waves plan, we've got the levels plan, we've got everything already now. We just need to trade the targets really, and we're good. Let's come on this chart there. So yeah, just gonna wait a bit to see if there are some questions coming in, and then we are good if there are some questions or not, by the way. By the way, link is coming in too, so we got a bit of that's not link. What is this? Okay, so he's back into the terry. Now we've got a bit of a rise. Now we did took the lows, so we're back into the terry of this wave 4 or of the pink wave 4, but in any case this is the same terry, so it's not a big difference. Normally we shall get a rise, except if we're in an ending where we can retrace a bit more. In that case we're just going to go in the lower targets really. But yeah, first of all we have to be aware of this, and as always, as Bitcoin is moving up big, well, it's range bound and waiting for Bitcoin to be a bit more sideways to get some few price action there, as all the money is mostly going into Bitcoin, while there is less money to move the market on the alts. But yeah, still the same target, okay, still the same target and back in it, so I can bring us with a possible short, not short, long trade. So like this, okay, well, all of this target really, so we can be the MC50, 30, once you can place some limits on each target with the risk management, or you can market order, trade it based off the direction on the order flow. I guess you have your own way to trade, your own trading style. I have mine, I market order most of the time this. But yeah, this is the target really, just wanted you to be aware of this so you know we're in. We've got a new MC strategy target printed yesterday, so I posted this again on the Discord server, but it was here, and we've got, by the way, so two, it was, you know, these two tops, where was this? Yeah, it was here. So you've got these two tops right there, so you hit this to the dollar, I mean, go just some few weeks a bit above, come back down, you get an instance or more than $200 move here, you get $300 move. So again, you take you place your stop loss above the trade when it's volatile, $160, and you take profit, well, personally 75% after a $200 move. So bam, everything is done really. And the next one you went a bit above, but again no stop loss hit. You went, you can see here $120 above, not $160 above, so no stop loss hit, and bam, come back down and get a really nice push to the downside here. Almost a 1% move. That's pretty decent for day traders as always. So this is pretty nice. Two good shorts here during a really strong uptrend, so this is pretty pretty nice. And we've got another one here now. Now this was the only one yesterday, so we printed this one here now just below the lows. I like this one, to be fair. This will be traded more as a volatile target, as we have some low. It can be a quick wick down, but as always you have everything explained it on the Discord server if you want to know how to trade this. And then you have one just above here, 47,074, the bottom of the target, and then yeah, you have some few ones above, by the way, too. These two above here. You pause the stream to copy the price and add this on your charts. And well, yeah, for now we've got 4 trades, and the 4 trades are winning trade, and of course with all of the trades before, I mean, this is just pretty decent, the win rate of this, to be honest. We didn't got a lot of loss on this, to be fair. We've got many, I can't remember I posted the message on the Discord server about this, but I can't remember how much it was. It was like maybe 3 loss for 15 wins, and well, now you have 4 more, and we've got, so I mean, more in addition to this in between, because I stopped to record everything really, because yeah, it's working well, so no need to continue really. But yeah, this is pretty decent. So anyway, if you want to know how to trade it, join the Discord server, go into the MC Strat channel. It's free for everyone, and you have the message explaining you how to trade this really. But anyway, I don't see any questions right now, so I think that we're good for today, so I'm gonna close this. So yeah, thank you all for watching. We are Friday, by the way, so there is no any update tomorrow and on Sunday, and so next update is on Monday, and we don't have any news. So yeah, I wish you all a nice weekend. Take care of you. This is important as always. Rest well if you're a bit tired as always. This is pretty cool to take some time for you as always to rest a bit during the weekend. If there is nothing interesting, there are no trap longs, for example, well, you don't care. But anyway, yeah, have all a nice weekend. Take care, and catch you all in the next one on Monday, and maybe on the Discord server tomorrow, today, or on the weekend really. And as always, in another update. Anyway, have a nice day. Take care. Cheers.